Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing raw papaya curry, also known as green papaya. This curry is ideal with rice or with roti. So let's get started with the recipe. To make raw papaya curry, I'm using one medium-sized raw papaya, also known as green papaya. Raw papaya is a powerhouse of enzymes. It cleanses your colon and digestive tract. Green papaya has anti-inflammatory properties. It is also rich in vitamin C, B and E, along with potassium, fiber and magnesium. Raw papaya helps to eliminate toxins from the body. So try to include raw papaya in your diet. I have already washed and rinsed the raw papaya and I'm peeling the skin with my potato peeler. And with my knife I'm peeling off the remaining skin. Divide the papaya into two. The seeds of the papaya has many nutritional benefits. Sometimes the seeds of papaya may be slightly bitter. So I won't be using all of the seeds. I'll retain some, scraping off a few of the seeds. So I have added the chopped papaya into a clay pot. To boil the papaya, I'm adding in 1 glass of water, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a stir, cover and let it come to a boil. While the papaya is getting cooked, I am soaking a small piece of tamarind. Let's check on the papaya. The papaya has started to boil and I'm going to put the flame on the lowest and let it cook on low flame. It should take about 10 to 12 minutes for the papaya to get cooked. Into my small chutney grinder, I am adding in 2.5 handful of grated coconut, 2 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. 3 to 4 shallots. Shallots are a rich source of iron and folate, hence I like to use them more in my recipes. 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are also rich in iron and folate and they are great for your skin and has many health benefits. And I always try to include fresh curry leaves in my recipes. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. A fat pinch of crushed black pepper. A little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons, just to help this grind. And I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. The coconut is nicely ground. Let's check on the papaya. The papaya is not cooked, so you need to cook it for another 5 minutes. Allow the papaya to get cooked. Now you can also cook the papaya in a pressure cooker and that will make the whole process a lot easier. Let's check on the papaya. Okay, the papaya is nicely cooked. So I'm just mashing the papaya. Into this I'm adding in the ground coconut. Add in half cup of water into the chutney grinder and wash and rinse the residue coconut and pour into the clay pot. Give it a stir. Next add in the tamarind. Give it a stir. And altogether I used 2 cups of water. 1 cup to cook the papaya and another 1 cup along with the coconut masala. You can check salt at this stage and allow it to come to a boil. This curry is slightly on the thicker side and once it cools down it will slightly thicken. So adjust water accordingly. And on low flame allow it to come to a boil. So while that is getting ready, let's make the tadka. Into my tadka pan I am adding in 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, add in 2 whole red chilies broken into 2 pieces, 4 to 5 shallots thinly sliced, 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Lightly give it a stir. And once the shallot starts to turn light golden brown, pour it over the papaya curry. Cover so that the flavors does not release out, and after about 5 to 10 minutes you can serve the papaya curry with the rice or with roti. So guys, do try this raw papaya curry and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.